demonstrate how you can use the new CSS blend mode that I've been using a lot last few days, having a bit of fun. So here's an image. How can I change that over to something like this? Look, we can do that with CSS. So let's go to my notepad here. So first of all, attach an image. I've got in the body section, div ID with an ID rule of my div, and source as in the root folder, number 3 JPEG. So in the head section, inside a style tag, I want, there's my ID rule, so that's linked to that. Height, whatever you want, I put 600 pixels. Background color, red. Padding, 20. Okay, now inside, oh damn, is the background. So that background goes all the way over. So I'm blending the new CSS rule, image, mix, blend mode, lighten. It's as simple as that. You can change dimensions. I mean, you could cover it if it was something that was an image that suited it, and get whatever colors you want. That suits that one. Like you said, I could change dimensions, but this simply, damn, this suits this one. Okay, so on Notepad. So there you are. There's a simple HTML and CSS. I'll just leave that there for a minute just to show you how easy it is to do. That's on Notepad, and that simply attaches to a folder. So you don't need a new CSS file. So I've just got a HTML index and the images inside. So the image is attached there, image source, and the name of it in inverted commas. There's a new rule, image, explode, lighten. So you just need that with 2 colors, background color in the body and a color for the image. And that, go to that. So is that really? Let's try this. Huh, can't get off. Can't seem to. What's going on there? I wanted to show a new image, but I can't seem to click inside there. Oh well, that doesn't matter.